Welcome to the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks, and mirrors. Drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. Vehicle does have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. Vehicle has a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. Integrated chiller braking system, wireless charging pad, all black interior with high quality Bose audio, and our leather heated and ventilated AT4 branded seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the 2020 AT4, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color matched door handles, OEM running boards, stationary, AT4 badging, 6.2-liter plaque on the front fender. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift for making room for the big wheel and tire packages at the front. Color matched front bumper and grille, red tow hook signature for the AT4, parking sensors, camera system, fog lights, LED daytime running lamps, and turn signals. Making our way to the back of the crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows at the back of the vehicle. We have the color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, GM MultiPro tailgate, and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior of the freshly detailed Sierra, both end seats are leather wrapped, heated, and car seat ready. In-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and LED lighting with a large single pane sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2020 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.